Every year, heck, every few months at times, a new fitness trend emerges, promising transformation. A viral workout, a secret supplement, a revolutionary technique that will finally unlock the results you've been chasing. The appeal is undeniable. The promise of a shortcut, a hidden key that separates the successful from the struggling. Yet, time after time, these trends fade as quickly as they arrived, replaced by the next shiny promise. Meanwhile, the people who actually transform their bodies and health are rarely following the trend. They're following something far more boring, the basics. Hey there, it's me, Core, and you're listening to Exercising Self-Control from Fitness to Flourishing. There's a useful distinction worth making. You cannot control whether your body builds muscle, loses fat, or becomes fitter. These are outcomes, external results that depend on countless variables beyond your command. What you can control is your choice to show up consistently, to move with intention, to listen to your body, and to learn the principles that actually work. This is where most people stumble. They chase the outcome directly, believing if they just find the right hack, the right supplement, the right extreme workout, the result will follow. But outcomes are not within your power. So, what's in your power? Your effort, your consistency, your choice to ignore the noise. The basics have survived centuries because they work. Progressive overload, adequate recovery, full body movement, and the patience to improve gradually. These aren't exciting. They don't trend on social media, but they're reliable. They don't require special equipment or uncredentialed influencers. They require only your commitment to show up week after week and make small improvements. When you learn these principles deeply, not as dogmatic rules, but as concepts you understand, you gain something far more valuable than any trend could offer. Confidence. You know why you're doing what you're doing. You can evaluate new information critically instead of chasing every viral claim. You become immune to the noise. This is the real power. When you commit to the basics, you're not simply rejecting the latest trend. You're rejecting the anxiety of always wondering if you're doing the, in quotes, right thing. You're choosing freedom from the endless cycle of hysteria, from the pressure to keep up with the times, from the guilt of not following the latest hack. The basics ask only one thing of you: consistency. And consistency, unlike trends, never goes out of style. It's the one choice that compounds over time, the one decision that actually delivers what the trends promise but never quite achieve. Your body doesn't care about trends. It responds to what you actually do, day after day. Master that, and you've mastered something far more valuable than any trend could ever offer. Now, I was going to end it there, but decided I wanted to add this bit of postscript. In doing research for my episodes, I often look up the definition of key terms or concepts. One of the definitions of trend is fashion. Keeping that definition in mind will help keep clear what's actually happening. It's just something people consider fashionable, like wearing a style of pants. It's caught on with the masses as cool to do, but may not have much more to offer than that. And it goes further. Synonyms for fashion include craze, mania, and rage. Not much rationality going on there. Trends can be interesting experiments. Just make sure the foundation of your efforts remain with the tried and true principles, skills, and systems. That's it for today. Catch you next time.